Hi guys, my name is Anaïs. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy creamy pasta recipe. So the first thing you need is prawns. I'm using 15 today. Then you will need about 500 grams of salmon, some tinned tomatoes, 250 grams of mascarpone, fresh pasta, and finally grated cheese. You'll also need about 2 cloves of garlic and some spices, curry, paprika, dill, and chilli. We are going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes in order to ensure it is warm enough. We are going to place the salmon in a tray that goes into the oven, and then we are going to marinate it with olive oil, paprika, chili, curry, and dill. Massage the salmon to make sure it is well seasoned. Place the salmon in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the salmon is cooking, we are going to prepare the sauce. You're going to take a pan and on the medium high, you're going to pour some olive oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the minced garlic and let it roast until it is nice and golden. Add the prawns, the same spices we used for the salmon, and mix. After 2 minutes, you can add 3 tablespoons of tinned tomatoes, 250 grams of mascarpone, and let it melt in the pan. Mix it to make sure the ingredients are perfectly combined. At this point, you can have a quick taste to see if you need some more tomatoes. This was the case for me, so I added 1 more tablespoon. The salmon is finally cooked, so we are going to remove it from the oven. We are going to break the salmon into pieces and add it to our sauce. If it's easier for you, just take the whole salmon without the skin and break it into pieces directly in the pan. We are really generous, so we are going to add some grated cheese for a creamy and extra taste. Believe me guys, this is going to be a feast. Finally, we are going to cook the fresh pasta. To save some time, I boiled water in a kettle, but this is not mandatory and you can cook the pasta the way you usually do. The pasta only takes about 3 minutes to be ready. Once cooked, we are going to add the pasta in the sauce and mix it well together. And that's it, everything is ready, you can enjoy this delicious meal. If you liked the video, please subscribe and do not hesitate to share my channel with your loved ones. See you soon in a new recipe video.